We mainly use the machine for women's garment sample cutting. The machine has performed very well. We have been using it for 3 years, and there have been virtually no issues during that time. Compare with manual cutting, the machine is much more accurate when creating notches. In the past, when cutting by hand, notches could easily be missed. With the machine, that problem is eliminated. The cutting lines printed by the machine are highly precise and consistent, ensuring excellent cutting accuracy every time. Previously, it took a long time to complete a single garment piece by hand. With the machine, the process is much faster. One piece can be cut in just a few minutes. We are very satisfied with both the cutting quality and overall performance of the machine.